Right, I said record video for a minute, but I've got to keep this up because I'm going to have a smoky. Okay, right, so we're going to discontinue the time lapse for now, and what I'll do is film at a different location with this camera. Yeah, I'll film it in a different, so you can see it. Basically, you can see me what I'm doing. It's going to come from that angle there, obviously. Alright, I'm just going to leave that alone for a little bit. I'll leave it down here. That is rubbish. I do have a rubbish bag. Okay guys, I'll catch you in a bit. I'm just going to shut off the camera for about 5 minutes and leave the wireless microphone going, because otherwise I can't fucking get to it. Please like, comment, subscribe, see you in another video. Bye bye.